And now welcome to the world of business. The World Bank has released 10 billion shillings for the Biovax Institute vaccine factory in Nairobi's industrial area. Biovax CEO Michael Lusiola says once operationalized, the factory will have the capacity to produce 30 million vaccine doses annually that prioritizes primary immunization.
We're anticipating by early next year, early 2025, we should have completed the civil engineering, the enabling works in preparation for the assembly and the installation of the machinery and the equipment for fill finish, supported by the funding from the World Bank.
$80 million for this infrastructure development for this Biovax will make sure that we not only for Kenya, but East and Central and Sub-Saharan Africa, we make a cold storage. And by that way, it will income generation, because storage is money also. So that we want to two types of, one is the money outsourcing, another is inside money generation, resources generation to take ahead the way forward of manufacturing unit.